There.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh no, it's yummy.
It's not even. Oh, it's a plane. There.
Circles by Post Malone.
No.
Post Malone.
Post Malone.
Circles.
Circles.
Coming, Brett.
Oh. You hear it? Whoa.
That's pretty cool.
Look at that.
Yeah. Cool, yeah?
It's pretty sick watching it fly.
Oh, we're literally cliffing it. Look at that.
I know. It's cool.
We're cliffing it. That's.
One more.
It's like a good company.
Oh, Hawaiian. No?
That's a Hawaiian.
Oh, I always walk with it. Like it. Husband, oh, I gotta get out the back of the truck. Alpha.
Get service.
All warranties and roadside assistance are limited. See retailer for details. Restrictions apply.
How do you want to feel today? Choose your mood with new St. Ives Hydrating Face Mist. Made with 100%
But do you go in that way?
extracts. Spritz the vibrant scent of grapefruit for an instant boost of happiness. Yeah. Calm the lavender for a feeling of relaxation.
Where are you going?
No, I saw. It's like all these rich people.
Hi, Anki.
I don't trust anybody talk about Halloween anyway. All night.
Hey, hi, Anki.
It looks like we're not gonna make it all the way in, yeah?
She said it's like a wraparound. So I said, so what do we do? Just keep driving north? She's like, Mom, I don't know.
We can try.
Where's she
Okay.
at?
We can try and keep going forward.
Okay. I guess
Okay.
we can try to drive forward.
Yeah.
See what we see up there.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, we don't have to go by them.
Yeah.
She can come to us.
Yeah. Where's she standing?
I have no idea.
She's down by the tent still?
I think so. 'Cause she's like, oh, do you see like a white thing and orange?
Oh yeah, see? It goes in. So from we're past it. We're supposed to go over there.
I think that's why he's looking. Max. Okay. Saying your sister, she is no freaking help. She's the one that wanted us to.
Right there, I found it.
White rocks right there. Should let him go first, huh?
Yeah. Just tell him that we'll just don't go by them.
No. You want to do that?
So just try and find a spot like not close to them. Like I guess in the middle of the two camps we can go. Okay.
That's pretty. That looks
We'll
like.
probably have to keep driving till you find a good spot because there's no room at.
Can't be retarded. How do we
I guess right.
park in here?
Yeah.
That sliding thing? Open the sliding thing?
Civic open
Oh.
sliding window. Yeah. There's like nowhere to go. I know.
Oh Jesus.
This is so horrible. I know. Like
This is a terrible place to go, yeah?
it is. I don't know.